Welcome to AIRobo Studio, the AI native Scratch platform that makes robotics simple and powerful. Today, I'll show you how to control an ESP32S3 BLE robot lid with Scratch blocks, using the BlueDuino app. Normally, programming and controlling Bluetooth robots means writing complex code, uploading repeatedly, and struggling with connectivity. It's slow and not beginner-friendly. With AIRobo Studio, you can connect your ESP32S3 robot directly via BLE and control it instantly with live mode. No uploads, no waiting, just drag and drop Scratch blocks, and pair it with the BlueDuino app for seamless control. You can also upload the code to the microcontroller for remote control. First, add ESP32S3 extension, connect COM port, select Live Mode Firmware and upload the firmware. Now drag DC motor blocks to test. Once the blocks clicked, instantly the DC motor starts spinning without upload the code. Set the pin according to the actual connection of the motor driver L298N to the ESP32_S3. Both the left motor and right motor. The block has the option to set motor direction, forward, backward as well as the speed. Now, let's build a program to control the robot via Bluetooth. Here are the blocks of code that are ready for upload. Click the Upload Code button. AIRobo Studio will start compiling the code and then upload it into the ESP32S3. Once it is done, unplug the USB cable from the robot and turn it on using the battery. The robot is ready to be connected via the Bluetooth app. Like and share this video if you feel that it is helpful. Leave comments for ideas to make a useful ESP32S3 project using AIRobo Studio.